Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel The Education Hub. Today in this video we are going to learn about preposition. First we will know about its origin. So let us start. Preposition came from Latin word pre and ponere. Pre it means before and ponere it means to put. On the basis of origin we can say that preposition is made up of two words, pre and position. Pre means before and position it means state or place. So we can say that preposition is a word which is used in the place before a things or words. Let us understand with the help of some examples. Place this book on the table. His uncle deals in cloth. She is very fond of coffee. There is a narrow bridge across the river. Each of the words is used before a noun or a pronoun which is its object. The word on shows the relation of its object table with the noun books. The word in shows the relation of its object cloth with the noun uncle. The word of shows the relation between its object coffee and the pronoun she. And the word across shows the relation between its object river and the noun bridge. On the basis of these examples, we can say that preposition is a word or a group of words placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other nouns or pronoun in a sentence. Let us know about its kinds. Preposition fall into three chief classes: simple preposition, compound preposition, and participle prepositions. It has other parts prepositional phrases too. Simple preposition. These prepositions are short words with each an independent form. They have not been derived from any other words as at, for, in, of, up, with, over, near, till, by, from, of, on, down, through, under, to, since. These words are simple preposition. Compound preposition. These prepositions are compound words that have been formed by putting up prefixes to some noun or pronoun as above, beneath, into, about, between, outside, before, beyond, within, below, across, without, behind, inside, until. Point to be remembered, most of these compound prepositions are used as adverbs too. You have read about them in previous chapter adverb. And now we will know about participle preposition. These prepositions are words that are in fact present participle. They are used as preposition in practice as during, owing, pending, concerning, regarding, and considering. A preposition comes at the end. We know that a preposition is generally used before any object, but there are a few exceptions to this rule. You must have known them. First rule is when its object is the relative pronoun that. यदि किसी प्रीपोजिशन का ऑब्जेक्ट रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दैट हो तो प्रीपोजिशन का स्थान वाक्य के अंत में होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर इज द पेन दैट यू वर लुकिंग फॉर. This is the school that she reads in. In these sentences, that is worked as relative pronoun. That's why preposition for and in is used at the last of sentence. Rule number 2, whenever this relative pronoun is omitted. जब किसी वाक्य से रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन को रिमूव कर दिया जाता है उस स्थिति में भी प्रीपोजिशन का प्रयोग वाक्य के अंत में होता है। सी एग्जाम्पल्स, दिस इज द बुक आई वॉज टॉकिंग ऑफ, हियर कम्स द मैन यू स्पोक अबाउट। Rule number 3, when the object is an interrogative, pronouns are adverb. यदि प्रीपोजिशन का ऑब्जेक्ट इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन हो तो प्रीपोजिशन वाक्य के अंत में आता है। जैसे What are you searching for? Whom are you looking for? Where does this road lead to? Preposition used as infinitive in any sentence. See examples. A knife is to cut with. Have you a house to live in? In these sentences, you are seeing that with and in. These are preposition and it is used here with the infinitive to cut and to live. Let us understand about the some preposition which shows relations with the help of some examples. He is in his room. Your son stand before my house. He lay under the tree. The beggar ran across the field. The book is on the table. The picture sank into the water. In these sentences, you are seeing that in, before, under, across, on, into. These prepositions used for relationship in space, relationship in time. Some prepositions are used to show relationship in time. Let us understand with the help of example. Your father came at 4 o'clock. This labor works for 8 hardly. There are 7 days in a week. I will finish this work by tomorrow. In these sentences, you are seeing that at, for, in, and by. It is used here to show the relationship of time in a sentence between two words, noun and its object. Other relations. First, manner. इट मीन्स कार्य करने की जो विधि होती है उसे भी व्यक्त करने के लिए प्रीपोजिशन का यूज किया जाता है। राणा प्रताप फेस्ड ग्रेट डिफिकल्टीज विथ करेज। आई कैन नॉट सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम विदाउट योर हेल्प। सेकेंड पॉइंट इज काज आर पर्पस। कारण या उद्देश्य व्यक्त करने के लिए भी प्रीपोजिशन का प्रयोग करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही डाइड ऑफ कॉलरा यस्टरडे। वो कॉलरा की वजह से कल मर गया या खत्म हो गया। हियर उसके जाने की, उसके लाइफ के एंड की जो वजह है वो है कॉलरा। महात्मा गांधी डिड मच फॉर द गुड ऑफ द पुअर एंड अनटच्ड। एजेंसी आर इंस्ट्रूमेंट। We also use preposition to express about the agency or instrument. See examples. Trains are run by electricity in big cities. He cut the tree with an axe. I learned about it through a newspaper. Here, by, with, through, it is show the relationship of agency or instrument. मेजर आर रेट। माप, मूल्य, दर आदि बताने के लिए भी प्रीपोजिशन का प्रयोग करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज टॉलर देन यू बाय 1 इंच। इंडिया ओन बाय 2 विकेट्स एंड 30 रन्स। In this way, we have known that where to use preposition. Let us know about the prepositional phrase. There are group of words, each of which has 1 or 2 preposition as its part. Besides, the group has collective force of a single preposition. Such groups of words are called prepositional phrases as according to, owing to, in order to, in spite of, instead of, by means of. Let us know about its uses. First, at home in. It means good at. Mohan is quite at home in mathematics. At the top of, at the upper limit. The shepherd cried at the top of his voice of help. At the risk of, taking the danger. Khatra mool lena. I saved the drowning child at the risk of my own life. According to, as stated by. You must act according to his advice. किसी की सलाह के अनुसार काम करना. Because of, it being the cause. It could not come because of heavy rush of work. By dint of, by force of. He stood first by dint of hard work. By means of, using. I got onto the roof by means of a ladder. For want of, because of the lack of. His factory failed for want of funds. In front of, before. There is a banyan tree in front of our school. In honor of, to celebrate. I arranged a party in honor of my birthday. In search of, searching for. The crow flew hither and thither in searching of water. Hither it means here and thither it means there. In spite of, despite. In spite of old days, he can run fast. Instead of, in place of. You can take this book instead of that. In the guise of, disguise. It means भेष बदलना. The king roamed at night in the guise of a sadhu. In the hope of, hoping that. Means किसी चीज की उम्मीद रखना. She worked harder in the hope of winning a prize. In regard to, about. What are your views in regard to the slavery? On account of, because of. His health has broken down on account of overwork. On the point of, just near. अधिक क्लोजनेस के लिए इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है. The old man is just on the point of death. Let us understand how to use of prepositions. Here is given some important prepositions and their uses. First, among and between. Among और between का प्रयोग के बीच के सेंस में किया जाता है. Between का प्रयोग दो लोगों के लिए और among का प्रयोग दो से अधिक लोगों के लिए होता है. Let us understand about the among. Kanpur is only among many industrial cities of India. Distribute these pens among students the class. Here, between is used only for two. See examples. He divided his property between his daughters. It means only two daughters. Distribute these books between Ram and Syam. Among, it is used before collective plural nouns, and in, it is used before collective singular noun. I found him standing among the crowd. I saw him in the crowd. Here among is used for collective plural nouns and in is used for collective singular nouns. Beside and besides. Beside का अर्थ होता है by the side of, बिल्कुल नजदीक. While besides it means in addition to, के अतिरिक्त. Let us understand with the help of example. The security guard sits beside the officer. While besides his relatives, he invited his friends. In and within. N is used at the expiry of a period of in future and within used before the expiry of a period of time in any tense. She will return in a month. She will finish my work within a week. On. It is used for thing at rest. He is sitting on the floor. वह फर्श पर बैठा है. The book is on the table. किताब मेज के ऊपर है. On का प्रयोग के ऊपर के सेंस में किया जाता है और वह वस्तु स्थिर रहती है. Upon. It is used for things at motion. अपॉन का यूज भी के ऊपर के सेंस में ही किया जाता है लेकिन वह वस्तु गतिशील होती है. द कैट जम्प्स अपॉन द टेबल. बिल्ली मेज के ऊपर से कूद गई. ऑन का प्रयोग जुड़ा हुआ के सेंस में होता है जबकि अपॉन का प्रयोग उससे सेपरेशन के सेंस में होता है. बाई एंड विथ. विथ किसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट यंत्र को दिखाता है जिसका प्रयोग किसी कार्य के करने में किया जाता है और बाय करने वाले यानी कि एजेंट या डोअर के लिए आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट लाइक टू गो बाय रोड. द जर्नी बाय रेल और बाय एयर इज लेस टाइमिंग. हियर द पुलिस लेफ्ट आर इलाहाबाद बाय जीप which run with diesel and Ravan was killed by Ram with arrow. From, for and since. इन तीनों का अर्थ से होता है. फॉर समय की अवधि यानी कि पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और सिंस समय का बिंदु यानी कि पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम को बताता है. फ्रॉम इज यूज्ड फॉर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम and for before a noun denoting period of time with all tenses, while since before a noun or noun phrase denoting point of time and always preceded by a verb in the perfect continuous tense or third form of a verb. Let us understand with the help of examples. He has been playing cards for 2 hours. He has lived in Allahabad for 3 years. They play from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I have been reading this novel since morning. You have not heard from his uncle since Sunday last. Above, higher form and over, sense of above, beyond, superiority and conclusion. This temple is above the tower. The plane is flying above the cloud. This bag weighs above 5 kg. He spends above beyond his income. Let us understand with the help of example about the preposition over. He flew over the Himalayas. I cannot get over my disappointment. God over all blessed for evermore. It is all over with me. The train crossed over the river. Above and over. इनका अर्थ ऊपर है. जब एक वस्तु दूसरी वस्तु के ठीक ऊपर लंबवत रूप से हो तो ओवर का प्रयोग होता है और जब एक वस्तु दूसरी वस्तु के ऊपर हो परंतु पहली वस्तु के साथ लंबवत रूप से ना हो तब एबव का प्रयोग होता है. एट. इट इज यूज्ड to denote idea of time, small town, village and used for denoting of time. छोटे शहरों, कस्बों तथा ग्रामों के लिए एट का प्रयोग किया जाता है. सी एग्जाम्पल्स. He threw the stone at the cat. He called me at 7 a.m. yesterday. He lives at village Rampur. On. It used to denoting about days and dates. I shall leave for Prayagraj on Sunday next. He joined college office on the 1st July. N. Name of big cities, province and countries, month, year. इनका प्रयोग देशों, बड़े शहरों तथा बड़े स्थानों के साथ प्रयोग होता है. I were born in 1981 in the month of July. He lives in Delhi. I live at Jaunpur in UP. In and at, also used with in the morning, in the evening, at night, at midnight, at noon, at sunrise, in the afternoon, in the winter, in the summer, at day break, at sunset, at home, at work, at the station, at play, etc. Below is used of lower level in position, dignity and expectation, while beneath is used for under. The minar is built below the mosque. It is below his dignity to talk to him. The sun set below the horizon. We rested beneath the shade of a tree. The box is beneath the table. The shoes are kept beneath the table. To is used to show motion from one place to another. Every evening he goes to the market. Into to is used towards the inside of anything or change from one medium to another. The birds move into her nest. Translate this passage from Hindi into English. Of is used to show cause, content, source, separation, quality, point of reference, opposition, possession, and space in the time, etc. For example, the house is made of bricks. He was derived of his purse. He lived in the house of Vijay. Of. It shows separation at a near distance, detached condition. For example, my house is off the road. The bird flew off the trees. The book fell off the table. Till is used unto or not earlier than. For example, nobody came till 8 o'clock. Please wait till tomorrow. Here is given some phrasal prepositions. According to, agreeably to, along with, away from, because of, by dint of, by means of, by reason of, by virtue of, by way of, conformably to, for the sake of, in accordance with, in addition to, in or on behalf of, in case of, in comparison of, in compliance with, in consequence of, in course of, in favor of, in front of, in lieu of, in order to, in place of, in reference to, in regard to, in spite of, instead of, in the event of, on account of, owing to, with the view to, with an eye to, with reference to, with regard to. We have already discussed about some of them and knew that how can we use it in a sentence. That's all about for today. We'll come soon with next video. Dear friends, if you have any doubt to related it, so please write in the comment box. And also you like this video, subscribe my channel, do share video so other can learn, and hit the bell icon to getting regular update related to the course. Don't forget to mention your feedback because your opinion will help me to increase. Thanks for watching.